Hi guys, Billy Daw here. Quick video just to show you a demo of how the Viral Commission Machine software actually works. Okay, and you can have your own account if you want. Just let myself or David or Justin know, or Sandy, and we'll be happy to give you your own account. Okay, but just to give you a quick demo here of how it works is we'll quickly log into the app and give you a quick walkthrough. Okay, so remember, if you want your own account, just let us know. Let's try that again. Okay, so alright, so once you're logged in, you're presented with some stats here of the different campaigns and stuff. You can then go ahead and connect to your different social accounts, video sharing accounts, social accounts, and image accounts. Okay, so what this app basically does is it allows your customers to go out there and find viral content. Okay, so if you go to new campaigns, there's 3 different types of viral content that they can actually make, or source rather. So they can source videos from Dailymotion or YouTube and do a video campaign. And once they actually get those videos into the program, this actual software allows your customers to then go ahead and share the viral content with their affiliate link to 5 different um, social media accounts. Okay, as well as that, they can go over to image and they can find images on Pixabay and Flickr, or they can go and create a text campaign. Okay, let's just refresh this. A text campaign and find tweets or stuff from Google and share that, as well as the affiliate link. Okay, and then share the entire campaign to these 5 social sites here. Okay, so there's a lot of integrations with the software. So for example, we've got all these different accounts that we've made it possible for your customer to you know share the viral content that they find. And it's basically a software that allows you to find viral content, add your affiliate link, and then reshare that viral content with your affiliate link to multiple social channels. And that's all it is in a nutshell. Complete step-by-step video tutorials are also included. I mean, if you want your own account, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to give you your own account. And that's it for this video, guys. You should be getting JV access so you can play around with it, or if you want your own account, let us know and I'll speak to you very, very soon.